Welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we upload an exciting video, you'll be notified. Let's solve this simple question on the board. Now look at what we are doing. We are going that x to the power of 3 minus 8 is equals to 0. We all know that the value of x is 2 by what? Adding 8 to both sides and putting 8 in index form, then equating the power. We'll see that x is equals to what? 2. But have you think of another way you can solve this problem and have 3 solutions? So please, if this is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe and share the video to loved ones so that anytime I upload them accessing video like this, you will notify. Let's solve it together. Now we can write this as what? X to the power of what? 3 minus 2 raised to the power of what? 3 equals to what? 0. Now I want to draw your mind to one of the properties of what? Symmetrical identity. That if we have a raised to the power of what? 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 is equals to what? You know, most of them don't know how come this a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 are gotten the identity, but it's very simple. Now I can let a equals to x and b equals to minus 2, right? And minus b equals to minus 2. So if that the case, I'm going to have that this is what? Into minus 2 x minus 2 all raised to the power of 3. Now I want to expand this parenthesis. Now if I want to expand this parenthesis, I'm going to use what? Pascal triangle will help us a lot in this problem. So if I want, this is my 1 plus 1 will give us 2, 1 plus 2 will give us 3, 2 plus 1 will give us 3, 1. Remember that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, anything raised to the power of 1 will give us this, anything raised to the power of 2 will give us this, and anything raised to the power of 3 will give us this. So this, since s minus 2 raised to the power of 3, so I want to use this value, this coefficient you are seeing here. Okay, so here I am having s minus 2, right? So you go to have that this is into my x, look at 1, so you are going to have that this is into x into minus 2, okay, then plus 3 into x into minus 2, then plus this other 3 that's here into x into minus 2, okay, then plus into x into minus 2, okay. Now since all this anything raised to the power of 3, consider all this raised to the power of 3 is this expression you are seeing here. So if s increasing by 3, that means minus 2 will decrease, will start from 0. Remember that when s increases, then if s increases, that means 2 will be what? Decrease, minus 2 will be decreasing. And if s decreasing, minus 2 will be what? Increasing. So if here we start here as 3, here we start from 0. If here is 2, that means if here is 3, here will be 2, and here will be what? 1. And if here is 2, here will be 1, and here will be what? 2. If here is 1, here will be 0, and here will be what? 3. Okay, so let's simplify it. So go to have that this is s to the power of what? 3. Remember that one of the properties of indices say that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So all this is just 1, is gone. So here I'm going to have what? Minus what? Minus 6, because 3 times minus 2 equals minus 6 s to the power of what? 2. Okay, then here I'm going to have what? Minus 2 is to the power of 2 simply means minus 2 times minus 2, which is 4. So 3 times 4 will give us what? Plus what? Plus 12x. Okay, then here I'm going to have what? Minus what? 8. All this equals to what? Sorry, there's nothing. So consider that into x minus 2 all raised to the power of 3 is equals to this. Then we expand this, we have this. Okay, so what are we going to do? From here we know that we are having s to the power of 3 minus 8, and we are looking at it, we are seeing s to the power of 3 minus 8. So what are we going to do? I want to make s to the power of 3 minus 8 the subject of the formula. We want to see that this is what? Into x minus 2 all raised to the power of 3. Now we're going to move minus 6x squared to our left hand side. So we'll do that. We're going to have plus 6x squared. If we move this, we're going to have minus 12x. So what will be left there is just s to the power of 3 minus 8. So consider s to the power of 3 minus 8, as you are seeing here, is equals to this. So in place of s to the power of 3 minus 8, we're going to write this. So we're going to write this as what? This is now become into x minus 2 all raised to the power of what? 3, okay, plus what? 6x squared, okay, plus what? 12x, okay, equals to what? Equals to 0, because s to the power of 3 minus 8 is equals to 0. So s to the power of 3 minus 8 simply means this expression you are seeing here. which is this, because s to the power of 3 minus 8 is equals to all this. And see how simple it is. So from here we can go and solve it further. So we can remove this from here. Okay, sorry, I'm using my bare hands, my duster is inside. Now look at what you're going to do here. So we can do something, we can factorize something here because something is common. Since s is common, because 6s can go here, 6s can go here. So now this is into x minus 2 all raised to the power what 3 plus 6x into, divide this by this, we have x, divide this by this, we have minus what, sorry, here was minus 2, look at minus 12. So divide it by the, we have minus 2, okay, all this equals to what, 0. Now consider that something is common, right? What is common? We have s minus 2 raised to the power of 3 and s minus 2. So consider that into s minus 2 is common, into again, divide this by this, we have into s minus 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, therefore divide this by this, what are we going to have? We're going to have my plus what, plus 6x equals to what, 0. Okay, now when the product of this is equals to 0, it means that one of the parentheses is equals to 0, or the both of them are equals to 0. So you can see that x minus 2 is equals to 0, or into x minus 2 all raised to the power 2 plus 6x is equals to what, 0. So from here I can see that s is equals to, by adding 2 to both sides, or we can expand this further. If we expand this, we're going to have what, let's expand this, is not the same thing as into x minus 2 into x minus 2, okay, plus what, 6x equals to what, 0. All right, so this our x is equals to what, 2, which is one of the solution. Okay, then from here s times s will give us what, s squared, s times minus 2 gives us minus 2x, minus 2 times s gives us minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 2 gives us what, plus what, 4, plus what, 6s equals to what, 0. So go to other, this is s squared minus 4x, then minus 4x plus 6s will give us what, minus 4x, look at minus 4x plus 6x will give us what, 2x. So here is what, just 2x. So here we have plus what, 2x plus what, 4 equals to what, 0. Okay, so we can also solve this. We can also solve this and have the value of s. So let's solve it. So let's remove this from here. Now you are having what, s square, okay, plus what, 2x plus 4 equals to what, 0. Okay, now this is quadratic equation. So what I have, this is s square. From here, let's think of two numbers that when we multiply them, we have 4, then when we subtract them or add them, we have 2. I don't think that this problem can be factorized because 2 times 2 is 4, but what number can we do? Okay, this problem, so we can see that, let's use formula method. We can see that our a is equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. That means our s will be equals to minus what, minus b, which is minus 2, plus minus the square root of what, into b square, which is 2 square, okay, minus 4 into a1, c is what, 4, okay, divided by what, 2 multiplied by a. Okay, that means our s is equals to, now this now become what, minus 2 plus minus the square root of what, now minus 2 raised to the power 2 simply means 2 times 2, which is 4, then minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, minus 4 times 4 is minus 16, it's minus 16, divided by what, 2. So you can see that 4 minus 2 give us what, look at 4 minus 16, 4 minus 16 give us some more, 4 minus, instead 16 away 4 give us minus what, this will give us minus 12, so this is minus 12. So you can see that we are having minus 12, so that means s is equals to minus 2 plus minus the square root of what, minus what, 12, divided by what, 2. So you can see, so if you simplify this further, we must have imaginary unit. Okay, you can have imaginary unit. So in this, you can have 2 imaginary units as s from here, but we know that the real solution, which s is equals to 2, okay, will satisfy this equation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate, do well to like, comment, and if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate, share it to loved ones or others. we'll learn. And if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an exciting video, you'll notify. So thank you so much, and God